Don't forget to subscribe to Adventures with Data, turn on the bell, and leave your comment below. Join our Adventures with Data.
This is the story of Aaron, a young man from Vancouver.
Aaron grew up calm, artistic, and full of dreams. He dreamed of making documentaries for the world. But life had other plans.
To survive, I worked in logistics, far from my passion.
Every day began with bitter coffee and crowded trains.
His life became a loop of if this, then that.
Aaron, analyze delivery times, late or on time, quickly.
Damn, where do I even start?
In frustration, he searched for help. When life needs decisions, Excel uses if.
A judge inside Excel, deciding for you.
Excel? Has personality? I gave Excel a condition. It decided. It made the choice. What if I could use if for my life?
I saw my choices clearly.
I made a new rule for myself. By day, Excel. By night, filmmaking. Transcription, 2 worlds, balanced by if. Months later, finally, I sent a short film to a local festival. If I try, I succeed.
The if formula had entered my heart.
When life needs decisions, Excel uses if. And so should you.
And that is how Aaron found his path. Remember, every choice is an if.